In this video, we are going to see that if we want to cancel the virtual number subscription of Sonetel because you're no longer using it, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up the website, that is app.sonetel.com. Just go in here, log in with your Gmail account where you have subscribed it from. And after that, just go to the phone numbers. You can also go it from here. Just click on the settings and it will take you to this section. In the telephony section, we have the phone numbers option where you have the phone number flashing right here. Click on that. On the right hand side, we have the subscription option. Just click there, and it doesn't have any particular option to cancel the subscription right away. Instead, what you can do is just click on change. Let me just make it full screen. Click on change, and the current package is monthly renewals. You can set it to yearly, you can set it to 3 years, and right at the bottom we have do not renew option. So what this will do is the number will be removed from your account at the expiry date. So that's what we want to do. Click on update and it will be permanently removed on 21st September 2025. It says at the bottom, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.